Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling two-factor authentication on your FortNite and Epic Games account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up a web browser and go to epicgames.com. Sign in to your Epic Games account. Note that your Epic Games and FortNite info are the same thing. When you are logged in, tap on your profile name at the top right of the screen and then select Account. From the account page, select Password and Security from the left sidebar. Scroll to the bottom and you'll get to the 2FA settings. You can choose between using the Google Authenticator app or using an email. I'll use an email address for this tutorial. To confirm enabling 2FA, you'll need to confirm the security code that was sent to your email. Open your email, find the code and enter it to continue. Two-factor authentication has now been enabled, and that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.